Cell Explorers is a science education and outreach programme. We have 13 teams based in higher education institutions across Ireland, and we are funded by Science Foundation Ireland. We aim to inform, inspire and involve the general public in science. We strive to promote hands-on discovery of molecular and cellular biology whilst addressing common misconceptions associated with science. Normally we do this through school visits. During our most popular session, Fantastic DNA, pupils get to extract banana DNA. We use real science equipment to provide an authentic science experience, supported by real scientist role models. However, due to social distancing measures with COVID-19, we are currently unable to deliver our activities in person. Instead, we have created a science kit for teachers so that they can continue to run Fantastic DNA with their pupils. Complementary videos help you to run the session in your classroom. Pupils learn about living things, cells, DNA, and also how to do each step of the DNA extraction experiment, and about the daily lives of scientists. The kit contains everything that teachers need to run the experiment in their classroom, but you also have the option to connect via a secure online platform with 2 Cell Explorers scientists to help you remotely facilitate the session. Running the Fantastic DNA session with your pupils helps to contribute towards their science capital, which influences their science-related decisions later in life. By doing a positive and authentic science experiment, you're helping to improve their science-related attitudes and dispositions. By learning about a new science topic, cells and DNA, you're adding to their science literacy. And if you choose to have a Cell Explorer scientist help you remotely facilitate the session, you're adding another person that they know in a science-related role.